Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these BTS inspired notebooks. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these notebooks, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. And one more thing, in the description down below, I left links to download the covers that I made. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is to start working on your cover. And you do that by going to canva.com and make an image that's 11 by 8.5 inches. Once you have done that, you want to take a gray square or a rectangle and make it really skinny and make it the same height as the image and put it in the middle of the image. This will act as a folding point after you print the cover out. Now you can do any type of design that you want. I decided to put a microphone and the words mic drop on the first one that I made on the right side of the line. And then on the second one that I made, I put a rose and the words love yourself on the right side of the line. I also used similar colors to the cover of the Love Yourself album on the images and the text, besides the mic drop text. That text is black. The right side of the line is where the front cover is, so that's why you want to put your design on that side, but you can also put images on the left side too if you want. When you get your design done, you want to download your pictures and print them out. You can print more than one notebook cover on one piece of paper if you want, or you can print one cover on a piece of paper. And you can make this notebook any size that you want. And don't forget, I left links in the description down below to download the images that I made for these notebooks so that you can use them too. After you get your cover printed out, you can fold the cover on the line that's at the middle of the piece of paper and cut the cover out. If your cover is white, you can use the line in the middle to see where the bottom and the top of the cover is, and for the sides of the cover, you can use the text or the image to see where the sides of the notebook cover stops. For the inside of the notebook, you can take 10 or more pieces of paper and trace the cover on top of it. Then you want to cut out the paper with an exacto knife or scissors. Now you want to fold each piece of paper in half and stack them all on top of the cover. To connect all the pieces of paper together to form the notebook, you want to get 2 staples and a push pin. If the staples are stuck together, you can pull them apart. Now put the staple near the top of the folded part of the notebook and measure how big the staple is by poking holes where the 2 ends of the staple are. Do the same thing again, but near the bottom of the notebook. After you poke the holes, you want to poke through the same holes all the way through to the cover with the push pin. There should be 4 holes for the 2 staples on the folded part of the notebook. Now you can put the staples in on the front of the notebook and close the staples inside of the notebook. If you need to, you can cut off the extra paper that's showing out of the cover off with scissors. If you want, something that you can do is to take a piece of washi tape that's the same size as your notebook and place it over the staples to make it look like a binding of an actual notebook. If you want to make more notebooks like this, you just have to follow the same steps to make more. And that's how you make these notebooks. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these notebooks, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!